Listen guys, a lot of the people, they're searching for the way how to earn the car, and in the BEpic we have this opportunity, and Bashir will tell you how you can earn the car with our incredible the car bonus. So Bashir, just tell to the people, does it possible to earn a car with BEpic and with our great products?
Yes, bro, it's so easy. People just, they want to take this packet in our company, and they just can bring 4 people, and these 4 people, they can invite another 4 people, and after that they can achieve a car bonus in our company.
Yeah, it's really great. So it's so simple. So just 4 people and help that 4 people bring 4
bring another 4 people.
Yeah, and they can achieve the car bonus and earn the car.
Yes, it's so easy in our company.
Yeah, guys, you know, they're really great because all you need is just bring 4 people in our company and help that 4 people to bring 4 with the great compensation plan in the BEpic and with the great products like LF8. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you.